Hey y'all, today we are making a 7-Up cream cheese pound cake. So we're gonna start by greasing our pan. I made a really bad mistake here. I did not have any Pam or Baker's Joy. So I used coconut oil, but I really wish I would have had the proper spray because my cake did not come out the pan, but the recipe is good and I'm gonna give it to y'all and you have to try it for yourself because I loved it. So I am mixing my flour, baking soda, and salt, and then I'm gonna set this to the side. I'll have all the measurements listed in the description box. And here is 3 sticks of unsalted butter. So I'm gonna add those in, and then we're gonna mix in our sugar and beat it until it is light and airy. You're also going to want to make sure you preheat your oven to 325. And then when I'm adding in my sugar, I split it into a couple of different parts just so it can get mixed in, and then I'll beat it and then add the rest of the sugar. You're going to add in your eggs one at a time. So I used 4 eggs. I'm just going to add in an egg at a time and then mix it and so forth. And then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 2 tablespoons and the zest of a lemon. Next, I'm going to add in my cream cheese. Baby, Next, we're going to add in our flour. I'm using 1/3 of the mixture at a time, and I'll add the flour in, mix it, and then I'll add in my 7-Up. I used a cup of 7-Up, and I am splitting that into 3s as well, so alternating between flour and 7-Up and mixing in between. Y'all, I consider myself a pretty good cook. Baking, however, is a challenge, and I keep saying that I'm challenging myself to do better. I was very happy and surprised with the way this cake turned out, with the exception of it breaking. So I'm going to use a better cooking spray in the future, but this came out so good. So I'm just getting everything mixed in. This took a little bit of elbow work because the bowl is actually small and there was a lot of ingredients. I do hope to get a mixer, a KitchenAid mixer in the future. I just want to make sure I get more baking recipes down and they actually come out good before I invest in such an expensive thing. It's really pricey for those things, but they get the job done. So yep, just alternating between my flour and 7-Up, and we'll keep getting this all mixed up. All right, so once you have everything thoroughly mixed and your batter is free of lumps, and you'll see it here, the consistency, you're going to want to make sure you grease your pan with, spray it with Pam or use Baker's Joy. I'm going to put my mixture in, and then I'm going to tap it just to get any air bubbles out. And then I'm going to bake this at 325 for an hour and 20 minutes. All right, so I'm putting the cake in the oven, and the next clip will be of it after it's baked for an hour, 25 minutes. It came out so good. I'm so sad it fell apart. I'm gonna try it again, but if you try, let me know how you liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.